In this video, I'll show you how to play PUBG Global on Gameloop without using a VPN. First, make sure your Gameloop emulator is installed and ready. Then, go to your Windows Start menu and click on it. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once the control panel opens, look for the option that says Network and Internet and click on it. You will see two options here: Network and Sharing Center and Internet options. Click on Network and Sharing Center to continue. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Look for Change Adapter Settings and click on it. A new window will open, showing your network connections. Find the one you are currently using, for example, Ethernet, and right-click on it. From the context menu, select Properties. In the Properties window, scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4TCP IPv4. Then click on Properties again. A new tab will open where you can manually enter IP and DNS addresses. In the fields for DNS, enter the following. For the preferred DNS server, type 103.46.65.144, and for the alternate DNS server, type 78.157.42.101. Once you've entered these addresses, make sure to click Validate Settings upon exit, and then click OK to apply the changes. After this, exit all windows and open your browser to check if your internet is still working. If everything is fine, launch Gameloop, then open PUBG Mobile VN inside the emulator. You should see the game loading properly without requiring a VPN. This method works by redirecting your DNS so that the game servers recognize your connection correctly. Once your game is open and running smoothly, it's a good idea to go back to the control panel. Right-click your network adapter again, select Properties, and this time, tick Internet Protocol version 6TCP IPv6 if it isn't already enabled. This ensures compatibility with other applications and improves network stability on your system. Keep in mind, if this trick doesn't work due to regional restrictions or server issues, using a reliable VPN might still be necessary. For a seamless experience, I recommend NordVPN. NordVPN has thousands of fast servers worldwide, extremely low latency, and stable connections, which makes it perfect for gaming on PC or Gameloop. It also protects your connection from DDoS attacks, keeps your data private, and ensures you never get disconnected in the middle of a match. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy PUBG Global on Gameloop without interruptions or lag.